abusa for Ghana cities nya ni monyam ama to force nkyere se obi ase say na Dr. Mahmood bo mi edwan num papa okoye ka tempes be kenkan ewo internet so ema amanfo bogye so videos ni news ahodo mu na so fie nwotwe wantimi amfa ni economic experience no even 1% anya adwuma Ghana city na apratete apansam say yeto Obama His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ba na eba fam na the kind of jandam akere say NDC for nyehwe mumi enti katachi afrifa
opa dollar ya yes dollar na ba form na dollar nso ba form yimfa Ghana ho ba bia Donald Trump na tin ba bie anu akwaka trade war one China for anu ase me de ya level ya to so me ya to so na ne wiase nyina no sika ye didi ga ye dollar etimi ne wo ka sei China for export nyoma nko eye America biu eto mo ko fa nyoma ko eye nyina obi ansesa nko dollar me ne wo ka sei Ghana for ko di jo China so yes on back there is no demand on the dollar. Me no ka say your friend be breaks. Brazil, Russia, India, China, and Saudi Arabia. Almost $1 dollar no and so the demand on dollar se petrodollar demand no and you view. So all over the world, the dollar is weakening against currencies. It has nothing to do with Ghana.
Exactly.
I feel Grofo the Nyama Papa Negua. Now to me by the 2 months in your Papa Gua Kwamudia. And you're fast in America for the man for that anymore.
Owie no me nua Biscout na prempe so okotro se sidi no ato force enye hwe e ma kire Ghana fo si betwa ball no ono hu ni se NDC fo ba Biscout be kan okra kire enye NDC fo ne betwa ball Ghana fo Biscout akwa video bi a o kire se sidi no a kire se enye ni munyam no na dollar no e to fam no NDC fo ene ato force enye hwe Momientie Biscout video foforo wode aba no.
Ni babonten be ka say eni kwan say ato forcing agi ani munyam e dollar na akofom no na ato forcing onye hwe. NDC fo binum esan say omompe akenkan na omompe research omompe ensema ekoso wiase atieti no enkofo ba bedi matem say na prempe oboa. Me ba bebo video bi di akire mo na mo amotie maso mo nsem ato forcing onye hwe. Eviase no na esesa mumi etie ehwe sa video wi yewia afro beti nsema metrogu social media no so ene nsema mekan.
Just today, 11 countries officially announced they will stop using the U.S. dollar for trade. And this could be just the beginning. Trump's relentless tariffs, sanctions, and reckless spending have weakened the dollar's strength. He may have once believed his policies would make America stronger, but now those very policies are pushing America out of the global financial spotlight. If the dollar loses its status as the global reserve currency, inflation will soar, prices will rise, and the purchasing power of ordinary Americans will decline. Your savings could lose value and your cost of living may skyrocket. Worse yet, the world is moving on without us. Countries once controlled by the dollar are now embracing their own currencies and stepping into the global trade arena with confidence. This shift isn't just about currency, it's about losing influence, losing power, and potentially losing our place in the world. How do you feel about the dollar's decline? Is it Trump's fault, or is this just the inevitable result of America's financial dominance fading away?
Me that's all. Okay, Biscuits aka eno katachi afifa nso aka wonu nyina aka asem ba akomeboa afa yenhwe the almighty macro minority leader yewura Afenyo Markins in an interview what TV station biase nyina etie no Afenyo Markins osi die ntine sidi no enya nimonyam na dollar no etofem.
Do you know why the city is stable? The city is stable not because Dr. Forson at the finance ministry is doing anything special. It's because government is not spending. It's because contractors are not being paid. It's because there's no liquid in the circulating in the economy. I'm not an economist, but this is basic economics. I've been talking to businessmen. A lot of certificates have not been paid since government came into office. Not one. Mainstream government, finance ministry hasn't paid a single soul. What they have been paying, releasing is monies for Jubilee House, fuel for president's car, chief of staff in the car, and a party for walk one up and down. Ebia, Sikebia, Himfuba, visitor, Ebia, what by a protocol releases, and then maybe other ministries, current one expenditure will release. But Sikankasa, Abembe release to pay private sector entities who have worked for government has not paid. And I'm saying that in itself has its own effect on the economy.
Medaso, you will have your markets. Watch the sampa, Biscout, any catechia FIFA, editor boy. Munina so mokasa in favor of NPP said Yebeka say NDC for 1 year. Nti, Mambisa, Afanyo Markets, Wabuana. Also confusion, I was Minu Biscout, any catechia FIFA, Mamimi Samasimbi, say a no cresse. NDC for any him first city no one. Adentina Iru, and so a decline. Iru so bafem kakranka. Adentia. Sanke osa sabridi. So be a switch echo euros, any pounds, any other currencies now. And kasa currencies no, I was say a kosro pa boom. Not dollar no sabri kura was a dollar in 5. Se si am no kasai. Me frɛ China, and besides say. Said ye daily basis, ye cost shop a day card cotadia or multi free ye dollar account mu. And I say you use ye card the tadia currencies no sometimes ye calculating into US dollars no. Asasana, one of said Debbie. Dollar no ye crypto business, the online internet business no. Where there you will need a dollar. Ube here dollar no. Senka dollar no ebe folia. Enka bra US sorry one for me break no. Sapre na ko se dollar etofem di se ni mo nyam no ke wo se NPP fo na nya me ka be si se NPP fo ni mo hwe fa Ghana sika se mo e free Rolex pen so be pem le wonu ma wo babere bi obe se yen currency enya amamu o esuna mamu part na esuna currency as se Ghana yi sika se NPP fo ye papa ko fo beto $1 na ndu 1 cedi o na 70 pesos. Ohun se atwia fa ne so a ebetwa mu 10,000 kono na okoyi zeros no free animu na obeka kire say we zeros no free animu the dollar ne cedi abaye which doesn't match anywhere, but in a way no first na NDC style of communication no na mpamanfo asom te say enne enti me ka be si say John Dramani Mahama mamuo ne finance minister yeru atoforcing any NDC for much dollar no Ghana. But we mean hwe economy ho. And this failure has the effrontery say ene or sign eba be Ghana president so. Efie mako wotwe. Even not a single idea. Ya mutimi implement ya eboa Ghana city ya hoden. Eniema bo ko soro ma otofuela. Sika beto fuela tukwan in just a short distance no. Ese wo ko bi adwuma. Bone be ne yaye. Na de ti akanfo atoforcing no. Ene His Excellency John Dramani Mahama nye bibia o. Semo ena mo wo so a. Enkasa brimo the trade war levy kuraba ama ye say to tax enka de mo be kan say oh dollar no amanfo bi no emfa niga e wo maman so na so ye nka ho nti ye san say ye nka ho nti no ama dollar no e ho aye scarce so as say nti kakra na e wo ye mamu no ye de ko no e wo sene bo ye den wo so many ways anka mo de be miye o man Ghana for nti apart from such strategy any management atofo sen shase ansana won mo beka se won fa US dollar no eni dwabim no omo kan ye ne omo form a break sorry e ma yete se break nyina e ba bi twa currency e ma even up to now woko China who dey catch us China as in say China ban e de American dollar eni digwa won mo fa digwa wo as a president and as a mampani no wo betimi aka ba de ma ye ho hen ye as traders no e dollar. Do ye then you will need the dollar. And no kete chief free can be say one me kwa China dwa time no nso ye TS asem we China dwa you will season e deko omo mo ye Chinese business bre bia say ye di akonya ban. Let's see a whole micro minority leader obi ananu ye na mu free aban mu afanyo markets enye logic e wo ba bia say aban entua contract sika enti na dollar e ba fam na cedi no de enya ahoden no aban sha asese wo tua ka ene ye behu enti fund ahodo aban ma release no enya akatua na sa aban na ama obi adwuma previous administration ama obi adwuma na se aban we baaye no wo hwehwe adwuma no mu nwie ndi mu se dipa de etua de ka osori ya no atem sika na wo de koma no aban na oso ye hwehwe mu ansa wotua wo no mo ka enti wasema wo ka no ene de sidi ya ho de aye kan ba bie ni ho a ehia obi ani abre hwɛ sɛ aban no bɛyɛ bibi ɛna aban na kote gold board sɛ gold na enka faase na efiri o man yi mu a Ghana aban nya ho hwe no aban yankasa beto na sɛ wɔtɔ a ebire bia no wastedi a obi abeto gold a bi wa o transfer sika no into US dollars ana okosesa dollar no boom 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 na ɔde aba this time no entisa efa aban no nsem entisa dollar no aban yɛ tɔn ne sei na abɛkɔ akɔtɔn ne haya na wa kyerɛ ba ebi kura na sɛ dipa kɔ bɛkɔ akɔtɔ ɛde ama wo ni nyina yɛ ade a ɛboa ɛma yɛsidi na hoɔden yɛ den egyina enti the loopholes a na ɛwɔ aban dada mu no ɛno na esi mekyerɛ sika na enwunu bebree aban dada no na mutwa sika mpo a esisi mu kaa to egugu fie wura so ame bag mu mo fa sika bundle no matia no na mo de bi ato ade mo kɔgye bosia ɛba egugu mu dem pounds ɛne US dollars esisi mu dem euros enko bank na Bank of Ghana nyabi ɛde aboa obi ɔkɔ akɔdi dwa ama ɔno nso ne ho ahehan no afanyo markets micro minority leader wagu NPP fo nyina anim ase obi a mafa wɔn no sɛ yɛn kasa ɛma NPP nya ni mu nyamuti asɛm a wɔn mo ka na tie ho minority leader oda manyokua no was one asɛm.
Do you know why the city is stable? The city is stable not because Dr. Forson at the finance ministry is doing anything special. It's because government is not spending. It's because contractors are not being paid. It's because there's no liquid in the circulating in the economy. I'm not an economist, but this is basic economics. I've been talking to businessmen. A lot of certificates have not been paid since government came into office. Not one. Mainstream government, finance ministry hasn't paid a single soul. What they have been paying, releasing is monies for Jubilee House, fuel for president's car, chief of staff ne car, and a party for walk one up and down. Ebia sikebia himfuba visitor ebia what by a protocol releases and then maybe other ministries current one expenditure bia will release but sikankasa abambe release to pay private sector entities who have worked for government has not paid. And I'm saying that in itself has its own effect on the economy.
Minute TV, TSMPA, Nwabobra Pa.